One of the places that we've really seen an uptick in SCP product performance and use is in municipal public works concrete. Cities throughout the country have found that when they use SCP's line of P3 products, P3 Protect and P3 Industrial and P3 Marine, that it helps their concrete last longer and look good for a longer period of time. We ran into some municipalities early on that were having problems with their concrete durability, specifically areas that were fighting de-icing salt damage. There are some municipalities that are having de-icing salts cause the deterioration of the concrete to such a degree that they're having to replace sidewalks in as little as 3 years. If your municipal budget can't handle replacing concrete in 3 to 5 years because of de-icing salt or other damage, then maybe you should give us a call so we can help you figure out how to make your concrete last longer. SCP's line of P3 products can do just that by closing capillary void space, slowing down the transmission of salts from de-icing salts, things like magnesium chloride. Concrete doesn't like magnesium chloride. It actually swells and blows up around the joints and other things. If you know what I'm talking about, you've seen it and you know how bad it can be. SCP can keep those magnesium chloride salts and other de-icing salts from migrating as quickly. It can also reduce the effects of freezing and thawing. Those damaging mechanisms are causing our concrete in our cities to last way less longer than they should be lasting. So let's all be good stewards of the materials that we have to make our built environment last longer. Give us a call and see how we can help.
Save time and money while consistently delivering superior performance. Spray Lock Concrete Protection. Superior concrete.